Hey everybody, so we have 2 deliveries for 2 different tables today, down by Lincoln and one out west. So let's take a ride along on our day of deliveries.
Hi, we're John and Heather LaRue, and we had a bar table made, golf ball theme for our basement. It was difficult to find something that was perfect for our space, and we looked for a long time, and we decided that we wanted to have it custom made. We found this design on the internet, actually, and then reached out to Zach and asked if he could help us make it. And then we came out to the shop and picked out the exact piece of lumber and helped us put it all together. It's incredible.
Well, this whole time I've been watching all of the things on social media as you guys kept building it, and I knew that it was going to be awesome, but it's even better in person now that it's here.
Got to stop at UPS here, drop off some furniture oil. Already carried 3 other boxes in, so multitasking.
This guy supposedly risked life and limb to go up in the mountains in Mexico where the cartel was there every day, and he let us know how dangerous it was. And
to get this?
Yes. This is what suckered us in, is over at the other building, because he did such a good job on that. Yeah, then he brings this piece of crap.
Hi, I'm Ann Miles,
I'm Dick Miles.
and we had this kitchen countertop made. I actually picked up a business card at the Nebraska Cattlemen's Mall. We came out to the shop. There were so many nice pieces. It was hard to decide which piece to take. Really pretty. It's something we've never seen before. Looks really nice.